Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning. I'm Chayo and I'm going to explain to you the draft of my research proposals entitled Pedagogical Framework for Technology Supported Inquiry by English Reservist Teachers of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. Okay, first let's go to the first reasons why I chose this kind of topics, this kind of titles in my research. The first one is in the recent days, the contributions and recommendations to have an emergency remote learning due to the pandemic COVID-19 result in limitations in conducting effective and supportive learning process. Secondly, this COVID-19 also results in a conservative urgency that demand teachers to use technological supported integrations in the present day knowledge during the teaching and learning process. This competency is completely understood to have a relations with the framework design that the 21st century teachers should master in their technological and pedagogical teaching practice. Therefore, the relevant pedagogical models which in accordance to technological understandings are extremely required to support particular skills needed such as inquiry skills in teaching and learning process. From several numbers of reasons that I've just mentioned before, it raised several numbers of curiosities that the researchers have already constructed in the form of research questions. And you will also find several words or phrases that is frequently occurs as a key terms in the study. There are four of them. First one is English reservist teachers, which is a status given to the students in English teachers education majors which are undergoing a set of training under certain supervisions in order to be certified teachers. Second, pedagogical framework. It is an integrated set of teaching belief, competence, and preference and learning values that are formulated within one output, namely lesson design. Third, inquiry-based learning. It is a teaching methodology in a form of active learning that integrates students as the center of the teaching and learning process. Fourth and the last, it is the involvement of technological device as either main or supporting media in learning practice that are assumed to facilitate students in achieving the learning objective in a more and most effective way. And now let's go to the next chapter related to the literature review and also the previous studies. In the literature review, there will be three subheadings that the researchers have already constructed, namely, first one, pedagogical framework of English reservist teachers. It is a pedagogy which is study of teaching and learning process that involve the knowledge of education's works and implements it pragmatically both in education and real world situations. It is significant for English reservist teachers to have sufficient and relevant pedagogical competence, belief, and practice in order to prepare effective teaching and learning. Second, technology integrations in language teaching. Teachers and principals are demanded to establish effective teaching and learning activities by using the advancements of technology. It points out that technological understanding in relation to teaching competence is important for teachers to have a technology integrated learning environment. And third, pedagogical framework for technology integrated inquiry learning. Pedagogical knowledge of adaptivity and flexibility is a significant predictor in designing a lesson, and it is highly required to look into the considerations on how the teachers accommodate the specific and vital skills in the case is students' inquiry skills. And then related to the previous studies, there are several numbers of studies which share the same field with these current studies. Firstly is the study of Yaurin Lee in 2018 that indicates teachers' technological self-efficacy and pedagogical teaching. However, it hasn't deeply analyzed how they express and formulate it in a form of a framework. Second is the study of Sadiq and Adib in 2019. The study investigated the impact of teaching practice on pre-service teachers' perceptions toward their pedagogical preference, teaching competence, and motivations. However, it hasn't addressed and investigated their pedagogical framework as well as their perceptions in designing such a framework. From these two previous studies, the researchers can guarantee that this current study will have a significantly different focus related to the topics. Now let's go to the next chapter. In this third chapter, the researchers will discuss about the research methodology. Firstly, The study will use a qualitative research method, which, according to Creswell, qualitative research is an investigation process to uncover in-depth understanding representing the contextual conditions of the concept, opinions, or even experience. Second, related to the setting of this research, the researchers will conduct this study in English Language Education Department of UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. It because the search of the data will be 70 students of English Language Education Department, page 2018 in UIN Sunan Ampel, Surabaya. While to collect those data, the researchers will have or use several numbers of research instruments such as document analysis, questionnaire, and also interview guideline. Well, I think that's all from me. I'm Cahyo. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.